We pray for better days.
Someone asked me the other day the difference between investing and trading. They're two terms that are quite often used interchangeably, but actually they're slightly different in their fundamentals and to how one goes about performing them. So they're both the same insofar as it involves you turning your cash into another asset class, whether that be gold, stocks, I don't know, bonds, whatever, and then hopefully improving the quantity or value of your money with time. But what they differ in is how you do that specifically. So we'll talk about investing first, and then we'll come on to trading in just a second. So investing is when you place your money in an account, you use it to buy another asset, you hold on to that for usually quite a long period of time. So we're maybe talking many years, maybe even decades if it's your pension pot. You accept that your money may go up and down, but you don't care, because in the very long run, history would show that if you buy certain assets, that eventually they will go up in value, unless every single piece of historical evidence that we presently have is wrong. And this is the basis for which people invest their money, okay? The second one is trading, that we spoke about just a minute ago. So what trading involves is you're very much taking a more active role in the sort of nitty-gritty of your money and trading, you know, buying and selling things on a day-to-day basis, as opposed to buying and holding, which is investing. So because you're buying and selling, you're getting involved, you're maybe analysing charts, you are scrutinising the assets as to discern which one is going to go up in value. You're taking a lot more of an active participation in the managing of that asset, whatever that might be, whether it might be stocks, whether it might be crypto, whether it might be derivatives like futures or something along those lines. Because of that, take it from me, I just spent the whole of this morning trading crypto. I probably spent like 5 hours doing it, and it really is quite fatiguing. I initially got into trading before I got into investing, and that is absolutely the wrong way around to do it. I definitely think that investing is a lot easier to do. Most people can do it with a little bit of education, versus trading, which is way harder to do, takes more of your time and takes more education. It's definitely good to walk before you can run. For me personally, when I started out trading, because I didn't have the first clue about it, I did some really stupid things, and that springboard of knowledge would have served me really, really, really well. So I definitely think you should walk before you're able to run on that one. I just want to make people aware of how much it takes in terms of a toll in terms of how draining it is and how much time you have to spend in front of the computer to do it properly. Really, it's a black hole for your time. And because of that, I think for most people who have day jobs and they're otherwise busy, that investing can be something that pretty much anybody can find the time to do. There are certain portfolios out there that you maybe spend an hour a month putting some money from a paycheck into and rebalancing it every once in a while, whereas, as I say, versus somebody who spends hours and hours and hours every day in front of a computer screen trading. It's not to say you can't do it, but it's just to make you understand that there is a way of improving your money, improving the quantity of your money, and you don't have to spend that much time doing it. I think everybody who maybe doesn't necessarily have a knowledge on it confuse the two, and they think that if you want to trade/invest, that you have to spend loads of hours in front of the computer screen. You only have to do that if you're trading. Investing is way easier. So it's just nice to spread that message and allow people to understand that really, if you invest your money in that fashion, that it's accessible for anybody to do. Hope that's answered the question. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. It's nice to see everybody again. Hope you all have a good evening. I'll see you later.